Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video.
Good morning all. Well, yesterday, which was Sunday, we went to Jublains, which is about 17 kilometres northeast of where we live. Took the mother-in-law, and what they had there yesterday was like a reenactment, I suppose, of the Roman part of the Roman settlement there, because it's well renowned as an ancient Roman settlement, and some of the stuff they've got there is absolutely amazing, really is. But I think this was more aimed at the kids. There was a little market and stuff like that. And there was a mechanical, I would say, had the beak of an albatross, but who knows? That was predominantly for the kids. But here's the footage from yesterday. It may be long, but it was hot as well. But it was really, really quite good. Anyway, here's the footage.
can hear music in the background. We're following a mechanical bird playing music. Look at the crowd. Only in France.